The cats are out again. Look at the cats. Look at Pumpernickel. Pumpernickel's over by Terry. Look at Pumpernickel trying to get into her drink. Look at Waxon over there by the door. And Tony. Tony's over there with Lightning. Gotta love on the cats. Kittens. Kittens. Let's go see Waxon. Hey Waxon, you saw his eyes. Look at his eyes glow. I don't know if Waxon is a girl or a boy. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Like a werewolf. There's Teetsy. And there's Pumpernickel. Just love on the cats in your prayers. Love on us here too, please, with your prayers. In Jesus' name, if you could, please, amen.